Hello everyone and welcome in IceWarp tutorial. In this video we will have a look to how to organize a conference in a TeamChat. So let's get started. As always, first of all you need to log into your IceWarp web client and proceed to a TeamChat. Here select a TeamChat room you'd like to organize a conference for, and then you can go right to the bottom of the page where there is a plus icon and you create new either event or a conference. Of course, we will today discuss how to organize a conference, but basically there is no difference in between a conference and event, apart of that one is in the online room and the other one is in a physical room. So we will create a new conference and now just add the event title and select on which time you'd like to schedule it. So it will be for just 30 minutes. There you go. And below you see that attendees are already there. Yeah, so all the attendees, meaning all the TeamChat room members, are already to be invited. And lastly, if you'd like to also book a meeting room where the meeting will be organized, then you can also do that throughout this menu. There we go. And now finally you just hit the create, which will automatically create an invitation for all the members of a TeamChat room. So down here we have it. We already see that there is one attendee, that's obviously me. And once the other attendees will confirm, I will see how many of those will actually join me. Then later on, once the conference will be on time, then you can join either from the TeamChat itself or go to your conferences, and here you see also Project A stand up, 2 minutes to go, and you can meet now to join the conference. Of course, it is a standard IceWarp ePOS conference, meaning that you can not only join from the web client, but you can also join from your IceWarp desktop client or IceWarp mobile application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you and see you on another video.